Hi everyone, today I'm gonna draw Shadow Meowscle from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Welcome tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. So I'm gonna start with drawing his head first, and I'm gonna do a semicircle from his left ear to his right ear, like that. And then I'm gonna draw on both sides of that line a triangle upwards, like that, and then another triangle outside of that line. Okay, and then another small triangle inside for the earpiece, and a circle inside of that small earpiece. For the right side, I'm gonna just repeat that. Without the earpiece. So now at both sides of the head, I'm gonna draw a line downwards and end it with a small curved line outwards, like that, and a small curved line outwards. Repeat that for the right side. And at the tip of that 2 points on the left and the right, I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line across a semicircle downward. Okay, now I'm gonna go straight to the eyes, and I'm gonna pick a point slightly off from the center to the right. So at this point, I'm gonna draw a short curved line like so, and then make a straight line to the right slightly upwards, like that. And at these 2 points, at the 2 endpoints, I'm gonna connect those 2 endpoints with a semicircle downwards. Okay, and then outside of that line, outside of the eye, I'm gonna trace that shape, and from the exact 2 points, but slightly outwards, like that. I'm gonna fill it up. So I'm gonna repeat this right eye to the left. Now we're gonna draw the mouth. So I'm gonna start at the middle point here, right below the eye, but in the middle. I'm gonna draw a curved line to the left, another one to the right, and at the stop point of the right mouth, I'm gonna draw a short line like that. And then for the right eye, I'm gonna draw the scratch. So I'm gonna pick the center point of the eye on the upper part and draw a slightly curved line upwards. And then from that point, I'm gonna draw another line similar downwards and make it bigger as you go at the bottom. Repeat that for the scar on the bottom of the eye, like that. Now I'm gonna go to the part to his arms. So I'm gonna start at this point below his head on the right side. I'm gonna draw a line to the right and slightly downwards. And from that point, I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line, like that. So I'm gonna repeat that for the left eye, left arm. Alright, now I'm gonna draw his strap for the for the trousers, for the pants. So I'm gonna draw a line downwards from this right side, and we're gonna draw a line downwards. I'm gonna offset it to the right over here and draw a similar line downwards. Repeat that for the left side. Now from the left point here, I'm going to draw a line across towards the strap on the right. Like that. Now, from each side of that, I'm going to draw a line downward. Okay. And in the middle point here, I'm going to draw a line across. Like that. And then from the sideline, I'm going to make a curved line for his knees and make it slightly sharp. Right? And then at the bottom point, I'm gonna continue that line downwards. Okay. Now from the center point that we just made just now, I'm gonna go slightly off to the side and draw a line downward. Same to the left side, go downwards. I'm gonna make some curved line here for the pants joint, and then I'm gonna draw a line downwards and continue that downwards. Now at the bottom of the pants, I'm gonna draw this front part of the shoes. I'm gonna draw a line there, another line across, and another line downwards. Okay, and then for the tie, shoe tie, I'm gonna draw a teardrop shape to the side, and then another teardrop shape inside of that. And then for the center of the tie, I'm gonna draw a circle, and then repeat the teardrop shape on the right side. And then we're gonna draw the string going downwards at this side. And then for the string in front, we're gonna draw a worm shape like that across. Another worm shape and another one. Now at the bottom of the pants, I'm gonna draw his folded pants. So I'm gonna draw a short line there, then from this point I'm gonna draw a short line downwards like that, a curved line, another curved line, and a line to the side. And then I'm gonna draw the top of his shoes like that. And then from the for the front of the shoes, I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line to the left like that. And then for the front of the shoes, I'm gonna make a curved line downwards. So I'm gonna go back to the heels. From that point that we stop at the back, I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that. And then at the front point and the back point, I'm gonna join that with a curved line like that. Now I'm gonna offset slightly above that line. I'm gonna trace that same line slightly above for the base of the shoes. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a few details for the shoes here, like that and like that. Now repeat that for the right side of the shoes. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to the arms. So from the point that we left off, I'm gonna take a point here. Wait, I'm gonna just draw the side of his body and draw a curved line from this point here to the strap, like that. So we're gonna go back to the arms and take this point and make a curved line outwards and slightly downwards. And then I'm gonna draw the elbow here and then the lower arms. For the inside part of the arms, I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line, like that. And then another curved line following that direction. And then now I'm gonna draw the fingers. So for the thumbs, I'm gonna draw a series of curved lines, like that. And for the fingers, I join that up. At the side of the strap, I'm gonna draw a line like that. Okay, now for the left side of the arm, for the left arm that is, I'm gonna repeat that shape. Okay, so at his belt, sorry, I'm gonna just redraw the left arm and try to make it as similar to the right arm, because I need the space on the right for his weapons. There. Okay. At the side of his belt, I'm gonna draw his weapons. A short line to the side, and then downwards, and then back in to the side, and then on top we're gonna draw a line upwards and to the side. Repeat that for the right side. up and to the side. And for the belt, I'm gonna draw a line across and on the top part, and another one for the bottom part. Then I'm gonna draw a line downwards on both sides of the belt, and then at the center I'm gonna draw slightly off to the side a line downwards and another line to the other side, and then at the side of the leg I'm gonna draw some details to the pants. I'm gonna draw the 3 scratch lines. So I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that, and repeat that shape 2 more times to the side, like that, and then I'm gonna repeat that shape again to the shoulders, to the arms, and the side here. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm gonna draw the tail this time, and so for the tail I'm gonna take a point right below his left side here. I'll draw a line, a curved line downwards. Sorry. I'm gonna draw a line downwards like that, and then I'm gonna twist that back in as you go downwards. So at the end point, I'm gonna draw a semicircle like that. I'm gonna trace the line of the tail just now and go back right up. Okay. Now I'm gonna draw some details on the below the head. I'm gonna draw a line, 2 lines across from the center here, slightly off to the side, and draw to the left, another one to the right, and then at the center of that I'm gonna draw a curved line, a small one, a semicircle like that. Now at this point I'm gonna draw a line across to the right side. For Meowscle, I'm gonna draw his 6-pack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a semicircle on this point to the right, and then for the center I'm gonna draw a short line downwards and 2 lines at the side, curved line, and then repeat this shape slightly downwards like that. And then at the side I'm gonna draw a line, a short line downwards, and then at the center of the chest I'm gonna draw a short line. Right.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.